Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about, not to talk, today I'm going to show you what I bought, the vegetables I bought. This is trying to go vegan so that she can maybe tone down. So this time round, wait for that summer body, that bikini body. Guys, anyway, so I went on grocery shopping in the market, and it was very cheap. Since we came to this city, I've never bought my groceries at such a price. All these, like, I have a lot, and I can't believe it was 200 yuan. All these things, and in the normal way, like the way we used to shop in the supermarket, we used to spend almost 600 for less than this. Can you imagine, guys? So let's go. I've forgotten. So I'm going to clean and show you how to store vegetables and arrange my fridge. Come with me. Eggplants, lemon, sweet corn, maize. For us, we call this maize. Mine is a githeri. Red pepper, yellow, and the green one. I like them the three together. Garlic, ginger, cucumber. I don't buy many because most of the time my cucumbers go bad. And 3 cabbages, some apples, tomatoes, sukuma wiki, kales, my girls, my dears, broccoli. I put them in the water because, the lettuce, because we bought these things yesterday, so at least they've survived. They don't look dead. Carrots, nikose, ndengu, because I'm trying not to eat a lot of meat. Sugar, napenda chai, mimi ni Mkikuyu. So potatoes. Hizi waru zote zilikuwa 18 bob. 18 yuan, all these. Alafu pia hapa kuna vitunguu, some onions. I don't remember how much I bought these, but it was around, how much? 2.5 per 500 grams. 11 bob hivi, 10 bob hivi. Oh, I've already eaten some. It was yesterday, guys. I don't know what the toothpaste is doing in the kitchen, but I bought it yesterday. Oh, I also bought the vinegar because I saw you can use this vinegar when you cut these, and then you put some sugar, and then you boil it, and then you place your cucumber in the fridge with these, with sugar. It tastes so good, so I'm going to try. And then I bought these, what is it called, soy sauce. I bought it because I bought it at a very small whatever container because I've never used it again, and I want to try because I cook a lot of, what is it called, mixed rice, and when you put this in it, it makes the rice look so good and edible. And I have this because mimi na mkate, ataka nataka to lose weight, I still want bread. And then this one are the hooks for towel, unajua kazi yake. Then hiki cha blue ni ya kuweka vijiko zangu because who am I? Nilinunua vijiko zile za kawaida tu. I never bought matching things here. So let's clean. And for the meat, nilishaweka jana kwa fridge. I already put the meat in the fridge yesterday, so I don't have meat here and sausages. They are already in the fridge. But when I'm arranging and cutting the meat into pieces so that I can store, I want to store in the containers and these papers. These papers are for storing some of my food into smaller packaging. So because most of the time when I'm going to remove maybe food to defrost, I have to defrost the whole thing from here. Unaona, hatuwezi kula food yenye imetosha hapa yote pamoja, so I defrost a lot, so I prefer buying these papers. So okay guys, so let's clean together and clean the fridge. So let's see my fridge. How does my fridge look like today? Eric said this is atizini spinach, but this is not spinach. And then for these ones, they usually make my food taste so good, and it's over na jana mimi sikukumbuka, for God's sake. Naona nataka kuzikatakata nisiweke pamoja. So let me clean the fridge and then clean the fruits and the vegetables and put them together. That's it. Yes. Right? Sasa kufungua fridge yangu nipate a lot of cold roll here. Aziniishe baridi. Also guys, I'm going to clean these. They're very dirty. I don't have a choice. Ouch, it's very cold. These ones, bell pepper, I've been learning how to store them for a while because they go bad very easily. Kama unaona hii nimebasteka fridge yangu ikuharibika, inaharibika sana.
So what are you going to do now?
I want to cut them and then put them in the papers so that every time I use them.
Where are the papers?
Here. Okay, I fear doing this.
Be careful, that nice.
It's very sharp.
Yep. So guys, when you cook your bell pepper, do you cook with this thing or you have to remove it? Some people cook with it, some people remove it, so I don't know. Which is the right procedure, or it's just the way you feel like cooking with it?
Okay, you know why that thing is thrown away? What I was told, it stores a lot of farm chemicals. That's why you throw it away. Just like the pineapple stalk. That thing. Just cut them with your hands. Yeah. How much so many. I'm going to use these papers. Oh, they're new, so I have to maybe do that. Nitaka kuziweka hapa. Okay, mimi siziweki ati neat. Haziendi anywhere. Try your again. Okay, I'm putting a little bit more because and then okay, babe, nipe your straw. You should use the straw. Niko na hii. You suck the air. Guys, you see? Hivyo. Zinaka fresh. Unakata hii part hivyo, and then hapa nyuma unakata hivi hivyo tu. Unaona?
Kati yote.
Natoa hii stalk. Then unatoa hii part and then
Don't chop it all off.
Nope. I'll check them out maybe kesho. Oh, let me return mine. Hii nyama inafaa kutolewa. Basi sahi. Najua mbona ungeweka food kwa freezer. Kwa freezer? Nitarudi later. Hizi ni food. Zimebaki so I'll just do like that. Maybe how many more? Maybe all of them. Nitataka tu kupika na zichukua.
Yep, pacha kadhaa.
Okay.
Leo, kesho kutwa.
Sasa sisi basi ni
Hizo
hizi.
ziko sawa ya.
Nizirudishe pale. Hizi tutapika leo basi. Mingi.
Yep.
Kama utaki kuweka hizi matunda kwa hizi nyanya kwa fridge, you're not supposed to wash them. You're just supposed to store them out of the fridge, but don't wash them. But now because I've already done the washing, zitakanga hapo ndani.
Perfect.
Okay. Hizi tutapika nazo leo. So for this one I'll just washing. I don't have a container to be cutting and putting it aside. Hey, ziko green. I really like them. This is my lettuce. My fridge is very cold. Nimeweka baridi somehow excess. I think. Zina stick kwa ukuta. Somehow hapo. Okay. Two parts. You can see where I place my whatever. I don't know what to call these ones. Oh, mixed vegetables. Yopo.
Unafikiria nini? Why are you laughing alone?
No, this is an eggplant. Okay.
Someone unacheka?
Cucumber, please. Okay, I'm going to wash this cucumber. Alafu nitachemsha some sugar and water and this vinegar and then takatakata then niweke kwa container. But also unaweza chukua cucumber, you dry it and then unaifunga na whatever inaitwaje, this tissue, alafu unaistore itakaa kiasi hivyo tu. And then for carrots, I'm going also to cut some of them because kwa hii nyumba pia carrots zinaharibikaga. Okay guys, I'm cutting whatever like tunanunuanga alafu inaharibika before hata tukule ama tumalize kukula. That's what I'm doing. Okay, itabidi nimezitoa ngozi. The grater to grate my carrots, some of them, and then I'm just going to suck here. Not yet. I need to bite the pump. Yep, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah. Some cocoa carrots, they get bad like me. Just do like this. You'll eat them forever. Niweke zote. Zitoshani kwa bag. Nikiweka bag mbili zikuwe karibu equal. Yes. Na vitunguu. So, naekanga hapa waru. Sijui manage kukumbuka kubai place ya kuweka waru. So I usually put them here. For the maize, I'm gonna like gongoa them. Nitazigongoa for the sake of githeri. Then I'll boil them and then freeze the githeri. You know? Yes, and that's it. Also for these, not for kuzi. We boil. Isn't the half to find it. Then kitunguu nitatumia leo dinner, na niko pia na hizi sweet corn. I'll just do what? Wash them and then zinafaa kustorewa kwa kapepa hivi ukizicoil, alafu inaitwa je cling foil. Yep. And for the ndimu, sijui kuweka tu kuweka ndimu kwa whatever, kwa fridge. Hapo chini hakuna place pamejaa, so I'll put them in the whatever, this place for putting fruits. Yeah, I'll put them there with their apples. They'll go in the same place. Remove the maize from the corn and then do what? And then
store them.
Yeah, for today, but tomorrow I'll boil them and place them zikiwa kama githeri. Because if I don't do this today, I always find myself, this time I've said I'm not throwing anything cold food away, and I have ways to store them. Put some vinegar. Mpaka tu ancestor aseme ni hivyo. Okay. Then I'm going to just koroga here. Nataka tu the sugar to dissolve. Okay guys. Ikisha dissolve, I'm going to taste. Wow. You put sugar. If it's too sugary, can add some water. If it's very sour, you add more sugar. If it's very sweet, you add more water, okay? And then you taste. Mine tastes so good. It's a bit sour, but I like it like that. And then you soak your cucumbers with this. We just see moto ati moto. You just pour this inside your cucumber. You soak them, and then the fridge, and then utakuwa ukizikula for 1 week. You can eat them for a week. You just put them in the. You see, my fridge is very cold right now. Maka ina form baridi, so it's okay. I can just place them here, there. So if I want to eat salad, I just take the lettuce, cucumber, carrot, nyanya, anything. For the kales, maize, I'm going to soak it with beans. Then tomorrow I'll boil them. So that's why they're still here, okay? Yep. The apples, sikununua mingi. So these, nitaziweka tu hapa. I don't put them in the fridge. I just put them in the counter. On the counter. Okay. And I think I'm done. My vinegar. So guys, we're going to wash the kales. Na tuzikate juu ni mingi sana. Tumenunua mingi, tuzioshe, tuzirinse, alafu sijama tutaziweka kwa maji moto zikufe. Hivyo sasa. Guys, I'm going to blanch the kales because there are so many. I'm going to just put them in hot water for them not to become yellow. Then I'm going to freeze them. And then I'll be using them for the rest of the week. Ama mpaka zitaisha tu. That's all. Githeri. So I'll just put the beans, and then nitaweka githeri. So this is the couple for now because I've already washed them. So we've come to the end of the video, guys. No more whatever. No more groceries here, and nothing else left. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, and share. And bye-bye.
Situations getting worse.